Okay, are you ready for some real lazy parent breakfast hacks to help you in the morning? Now, we are not lazy parents by any means. We are busy and we juggle a lot. But if we take one day to be super productive and make things ahead of time, it'll make the rest of the week go super smooth so you can be a little lazy in the morning. Okay, I just shared a video on DIY oatmeal packets. Heck yeah, your kids can make these super easy. You just tell them 3/4 cup water, they can put it in a bowl, they can put it in a mug, throw it in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, bam, they have oatmeal. So why is this better than the box kind? Because you know the ingredients that are going in it, so you can make it as nutritious as you want. Put that in a paper cup and they can take that out to the bus stop with them. One of my favorite lazy breakfast hacks is buying the pre-cooked bacon. I love the one from Costco. It's super yummy. All you have to do is put some on a plate, heat it in the microwave, bam, you have bacon. I love making muffins and then freezing them. Later in the week, 2 weeks later, they can pull out a muffin and eat it on their way to school. Bake up a bunch of your favorite muffins. My kids love blueberry muffins. We'll make those up, stick them in the freezer, or even put them in the pantry so there's muffins for the week or even next week. I love making a huge batch of pancakes in waffles. These freeze wonderfully. Now, my kids will take these out of the freezer, pop them in the microwave, but they've also done it in the toaster and it gets them nice and crunchy. That way in the morning when they're like, I want pancakes, and you're like, I do not feel like making you pancakes, bam, you have them. We also love to make mini egg cups. These are so good. You can make them in so many different varieties. I like to make these in a silicone pan because you can pop them right out. You can also make these in a mini muffin tin and they're bite size. So these are great not only for the kids, but for the husband, the teenagers. Make some of these before you go to work. You have all the protein you need in one little egg cup. You can also make French toast beforehand and freeze those. I love making them as French toast sticks. Heat up the French toast, put them in a throwaway cup, pour some maple syrup down the bottom, they could take that and go. Now, if you have little kids, make a spot that they could get cups and plates really easily. Down in my buffet table, I store all the kids' plates and cups. That way, they don't have to try to reach for a cereal bowl in the morning. They could grab a bowl, they could grab the cereal, and they could grab the milk that is at arm's length and have a bowl of cereal. The point is, we do so much for our kids, but they can make their own breakfast, especially if it's ready for them and easily available. So take the time to think about what can you do to make breakfast easy in the mornings. You know, sometimes life gets crazy and we are late and we run out the door. Maybe in your car, store maybe in a container where you have some applesauces or some granola bars. Because there have been times I've gotten in the car and the kids are like, I didn't eat. So that way there's something that they could grab on their way to school. I hope these lazy parent breakfast hacks helped you out and gave you some ideas. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you real soon. Bye.